Is Flat Rock out there? People against Sterling, Joseph Wright, 25W84088-1A and B, and also 25F244059. Good morning, Mr. Wright. Your name? Muted. I can't hear him.
Good
Your
morning,
name?
Judge Sterling Wright.
All right, officer, your name?
Officer Porter.
Yeah, I'm going to ask you to take your hat off if you would, Mr. Westmoreland. Your name?
Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Porter Westmoreland, appearing on behalf of Mr. Wright.
So we have a charge here of disorderly person, public intox, and minor in possession from November 22nd. He was in front of me on December 11th. The case that he was in here on November 22, he didn't show up for on December 17th. And he also has an open intox. Where's he been?
Your Honor, he's currently living down the road and he didn't have,
All right. I see. Where was he picked up at, officer?
in Flat Rock. That I'm not sure. I believe his address is in Flat Rock. So,
Right. You didn't graduate, did you, son?
No, I did not graduate from high school. No,
I can't hear you.
no, I did not graduate.
You're not in high school anymore.
No, I'm not in high school anymore.
Are you working?
Yes.
Where?
In Flat Rock, I moved furniture.
For who?
Work for a moving company.
Which one?
Wheel Deal Moving.
Will Deal Moving?
Wheel, like WILL. Wheel. Wheel Deal Moving. I
Yeah.
also work for other companies as well, though.
You know why I knew you didn't graduate?
How'd you know that?
Because when you act this irresponsible, there's no way you get through high school. No way.
Mm.
How many hours do you work per week?
Maybe around 40.
Maybe around 40. How much do you make per hour?
$20.
You make $800 a week. That's pretty good. Is that how much you
Somewhere
make per
around-
week?
Somewhere around there.
Why isn't he showing up besides the fact that he didn't have a ride, even though his parents live in Flat Rock and he works out of Flat Rock? That's just an excuse, isn't it, Mr. Wright?
Absolutely not.
Oh, it's not an excuse? Well, then we're going to make sure you got a ride to court. How's that? I'll make sure you have a ride to court. And they can take you over from the Flat Rock Police Department when I get ready to handle this, okay? And then you're going to have to post a high bond. So, you know, don't tell your lawyer things that are not true. Okay?
Yeah, I think he acknowledges, and he meant to say it's not a good excuse, but he understands. After I spoke with him, he does understand the importance of the hearing and making sure he clears all his matters.
So he's got a November 22 minor in possession. He must have a prior minor in possession, right? Yeah, that's what that says on the ticket. That's why they charged it as a misdemeanor. So you have that case. Give me 1 second, if you would, please. You've been in front of me before. I remember you. You know what? You have been, right?
Think so.
In fact, you were in front of me at the Flat Rock Police Department, sitting there just as you are now, right?
No, I don't think that was it. I think I had came in to come see you.
You'd come to Flat Rock, or you came to the court?
No, I came to the courtroom to see you. I was in court when I see you.
You gonna grow up or you gonna act like this your whole life?
No, I'm really ready to figure this out and make it to where I don't got these warrants and I don't have all these fines, and we can just put it on one accord to where I can just boom, boom, boom and knock everything down, and just instead of having warrants here and being, and keep going through this process.
Yeah,
It's not.
Yeah, well, you're bringing this on yourself.
Well, I wasn't sure about a warrant. Like I didn't know how that worked really. I wasn't knowing. You feel me?
Do you stand mute and
So
wait formal reading on the failure to pay, which is 25R514323?
That's correct, John.
it's a good on there. We good.
You missed too many times here, son. John, you're gonna have to go over there. We're gonna have to do a screening as I ordered quite some time ago. So here's what I'm doing. Anything else, Mr. Westmoreland?
Not at this time, Judge.
Well, I'll give you an early court date. I'll do that because I want to be a lot more fair with you than you have been with us. Okay?
Okay.
Is that all right with you or?
Yes, yeah.
Keep doing this. I don't get it. You've missed court 4 or 5 times here. 1,510% on 25F244059. We're going to need a screening and assessment and probation, John, to get on to do screening on 25F244059. You have 210. I'm entering a not guilty plea on 25R514323. That'll be $100 cash. I will set that for January the 29th, and that will be at 9:15. And then on Judge Hessen's cases, you have an open intox and you have a minor in possession. 1,010% on that. No contact with prosecution witnesses, no alcohol, no marijuana, no illegal drugs. Do you understand all that? And that's on both the open intox and the MIP. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
So that'll be on January 29th at 9:45, the pretrial on that. So you got a contempt hearing in front of me, a sentencing in front of me, and then you've got pretrials in front of Judge Hessen on the 29th, and again, that will be at 9:45. Okay? You cannot leave the state. You cannot violate a law. You must appear in court as directed. You need to get to court on time, sir. Okay? Don't be late. We understand one another?
Yes.
Thanks.
His probation need to zoom.
And we're going to give you, yes, probation needs to zoom in with him, officer. So if you'll just bear with us and we'll get you, tell him, John, tell whoever down there, I want him to have a court appointed lawyer.
Hey, thanks for watching this clip from TCF Live. If you enjoyed it, please leave a comment, like, and subscribe if you haven't already. And you can join us weekdays live, 9 a.m. Eastern, 6 a.m. Pacific, right here on this channel.